Hey there, welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to crochet a Romanian cord. You can use any size of hook and any size of yarn for this. Today I'm just using worsted weight category 4 yarn and a 6mm hook. Okay, so to get started we're going to make a slip knot and slide it onto our hook, and then we're going to chain 2. 1 and 2. Now we're going to work a single crochet into that second chain from the hook. So there's our first chain, there's our second, we'll go right into that second chain. A single crochet. Okay, so there's a single crochet right into that second chain. Now this V right here is the top of our single crochet. This is the working loop, and this V is the top of our single crochet. You'll see this little end string at the end there, and this is what we're going to work into next. So remember, we have the top of our single crochet and then this little end chain on the side. So turn your work and insert your hook into that loop and work another single crochet. Okay, so now we have the top of the single crochet we just worked right here, and then we have 2 loops on the side. So now we're going to work a single crochet into those 2 loops. So I just made my single crochet, and then I'm going to turn it over, insert my hook into those 2 loops on the end, which can sometimes be a tight squeeze, and work another single crochet. Now I'm going to keep repeating that. So I'm simply going to turn it over again, find those 2 loops on the end, and insert my hook into those and work a single crochet. Show you one more time. So I just worked my single crochet, turn it over, find those 2 loops in the end, insert your hook into both of those, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So just keep doing that over and over again, and you will have a cord as long as you want it to be. This is a great cord for straps of bags or purses, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks and have a great day.